Hi again. If you've just seen my video like an hour ago, I just thought I am right by the tote bag I was telling you about. If you didn't catch my video before, I talk all about the tote bag, but I just want to show you it. I don't know if I can turn my video around. Here we go. So this is the tote bag that you will be able to get your hands on in January as part of one of the joining offers. You don't sadly get the supplies in it, but it is amazing. You've got all these sections in here. You can look how many supplies they've got in there. Loads and loads and loads. Stamp sets in there. There's cards. There's ink pads. There's ribbon. There's your dots. So you've got pockets. 2 pockets on the front there, and another pocket here, and a zipped compartment. It's all fully lined, and you've got this cute tag embellishment here. And oh, it looks like it's Velcro, so you can actually change the section sizes if you want to, and another big zip there, so use it to, if you're short of craft space in your house, you can use it to store your supplies, just generally speaking, or use it for your crops coming to class. And it is gorgeous, a really substantial size. You can be able to get your 12 by 12 papers in there as well. So yeah, this can be yours from January, and I can show you how, I can tell you how, but yeah, don't miss out on this gorgeous, gorgeous limited offer tote. And I've also got the display boards right in front of me here, so I'll quickly show you some displays. These are celebration items. Kits, look at this kit. All coming to you in January. So you actually make the, I think you make the box for that. Yeah, you get this little case here to keep the supplies in, and then you can make the box. The tin, we all love tin kits. All these gorgeous laser cut papers. This is another one top of my list. I absolutely adore the patterns on these. I think this here is my actual favourite at the moment. So this is a Memories and More pack. The cards and the stickers and things all come in Memories and More, and then we've got coordinated Memories and More cards and envelopes that you can just literally, you don't even need to set stamps with this, so you can just get the pack, get some note cards and envelopes, and be making lots of cards really easily without much expense. Here's another bundle, really cute. Oh, and look what we've got this time. Doggy Punch. Super cute butterflies. Butterflies are back with a vengeance. For anyone who's missing the bitty butterflies and all of those. Loads of sentiments. Rectangle stitched framelets. I know you all love your stitched framelets. There's the tote again. Let's take you a little bit over here. So we've done this really cute thing of going through the years, stamping through the years, and all, because this is the 30th anniversary, so all these, so we've basically got all of the years from the 80s all the way to now for the history of Stampin' Up. Lots of memories on here, lots of previous on stages. Shelley and her husband Sterling. The manufacturing facility, all of the past projects on here, who's been part of Stampin' Up for that long, family photos, really cute. Yeah, so that's, oh look, there's an inspiration wall here. People have written, how are you looking forward? People have written all different comments on here, how are you looking forward? So this is 2018. So this is pictures of people who have won who've had the $1 million sales. So you can see those. Family. Let's it's Stampin' Up Day of Service. So they always have a day of service once a year. They go and do something amazing for somebody else. Oh, look at this doily stamp. The doily stamp is gorgeous. Right, what else can I show you guys?